Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss short type question based on multivariable calculus, that is beta gamma function and Dirichlet theorem. Question number first. Find the value of integral integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus ax x to the power n minus 1 dx has been come AKTU 2016. Now answer. Let I equal integral limit 0 to infinity e to the power minus ax x to the power n minus 1 dx. Now put ax is equal to t, dx is equal to dt upon a. This is equal to limit of x change into limit of t. Now x is equal to 0, then t is equal to 0. Now x is equal to infinity, then t is equal to infinity, e to the power minus t. Now value of x, t upon a whole power n minus 1 dx dt upon a. This is equal to 1 upon a to the power n, integral limit 0 to infinity e to the power minus t, t to the power n minus 1 dt. This is the value of gamma n upon a to the power n. Since gamma n equal to limit 0 to infinity t to the power n minus 1 e to the power minus t dt. This is the definition of gamma function. Now next question number 2. Find the value of evaluate integral limit 0 to infinity under root x evaluate x e to the power minus x to the power 4 dx. Answer. Integral limit 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power 4 dx. Put x to the power 4 is equal to t. Now x is equal to t to the power 1 upon 4. Dx is equal to 1 upon 4 t to the power minus 3 by 4 dt. Now limit of x change into limit of t remaining same, e to the power minus t. Now dx 1 by 4 t to the power minus 3 by 4 dt. This is equal to 1 by 4 common, integral limit 0 to infinity t to the power 1 by 4 minus 1 e to the power minus t dt. This is equal to value of gamma 1 by 4 upon 4. Now next question number 3. Use beta function to evaluate limit 0 to infinity x to the the power 8 1 minus x to the power 6 dx upon 1 plus x whole power 24 has been come MTU 2013. Answer. Now integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power 8 1 minus x to the power 6 dx upon 1 plus x whole power 24 bracket into 2 integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power 8 dx upon 1 plus x whole power 24 minus limit 0 to infinity x to the power 14 dx upon 1 plus x whole power 24. This is equal to integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power 9 minus 1 dx upon 1 plus x 9 plus 15 minus integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power 15 minus 1 dx upon 1 plus x whole power 15 plus 9. This is equal to the value of first integral is equal to beta 9 comma 15 minus second integral 15 minus beta 15 comma 9, both are same, 9 comma 15 minus beta or b 9 minus 15, since arguments are interchange, therefore total value will be 0. We know that beta mn is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power m minus 1 dx upon 1 plus x whole power m plus n, or 0 to infinity x to the power n minus 1 dx upon 1 plus x whole power m plus n, by using the formula here. Now next question, question number 4. Find the total mass of the region in the case comma with density at any point being x, y, z. Now answer. Mass, this is equal to triple integration rho into dx, dy, dz. We know that mass is equal to volume into density. Now putting the value of rho x, y, z. Now dx, dy, dz. The value of limit x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, and upper limit of x, y, z are same, that is unity. Now integrate x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 1 to 1, x, y as it, integration of z, z square by 2, limit 0 to 1, dx, dy as it. Now 1 upon 2, x is equal to 0 to 1, x as it, integration of y square by 2, limit 0 to 1, dx as it. After the limit we get only half. Now 1 upon 2 square, limit 0 to 1, x dx. This is equal to 1 upon 4, x square by 2, limit 0 to 1. This is equal to 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 8, is a mass of region which is surrounded with the given condition, and density is x y z. Question number 5. Question 5. Evaluate double integration x to the power p y to the power q dx dy, where d is the region bounded by x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x upon a whole power m plus y upon b whole power n, this is equal to 1. Answer. Put x upon a whole power m is equal to u and y upon b whole power n is equal to b. That is x is equal to a u to the power 1 upon n, y is equal to b v to the power 1 upon n. Now dx is equal to a upon m u to the power 1 upon m minus 1 du. Similarly dy is equal to b y n v to the power 1 upon n minus 1 dv. Now double integration x to the power p y to the power q dx dy is equal to integration. Now putting the value of x, a to the power p u to the power p upon m, value of y b to the power q v to the power q upon n. Now dx dy a b upon mn u to the power 1 upon m minus 1 v to the power 1 upon n minus 1 du dv is equal to a to the power p plus 1 b to the power q plus 1 upon mn double integration u to the power p plus 1 upon m minus 1 v to the power q plus 1 upon n minus 1 du dv. A to the power p plus 1 b to the power q plus 1 upon mn. Now using Dirichlet integral, then we get value gamma p plus 1 upon m gamma q plus 1 upon n upon gamma p plus 1 upon m plus q plus 1 upon n plus 1. That is p plus 1 upon m plus q plus 1 upon n plus 1 whole gamma. Next question, question number 6. Find the mass of the region in xy plane bounded by x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x plus y equal to 1 with density k under root xy. Answer. The mass is equal to in xy plane double integration, in space triple integration, volume into density, that is k under root xy value of density into volume in xy plane take only area, that is dx dy. Now limit of x is equal to 0 to 1. Now limit of y 0 to 1 minus x. The both limit x or y are in lower limit 0 and upper limit of x we hide the y, then x is equal to 1. Now the upper limit of y is equal to 1 minus x. Now integrate k x is equal to 0 to 1 under root x as it, the integration under root y to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 limit 0 to 1 minus x dx. This is equal to 2k upon 3 limit 0 to 1 x to the power half 1 minus x whole power 3 by 2 dx. This is equal to 2k upon 3 limit 0 to 1 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 minus x whole power 5 by 2 minus 1 dx. This is equal to 2k upon 3. Now the integration 0 to 1 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 minus x to whole power 5 by 2 minus 1 is 3 beta 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Now we can calculate the value of this. This is the gamma 3 by 2, gamma 5 by 2 upon gamma 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2. This is equal to 2 k upon 3. Value of gamma 3 by 2 1 upon 2 under root pi, 5 by 2 3 by 2 1 by 2 under root pi. Now gamma value of 4, 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. The value of gamma 4 3 2 comma 1. Now 2 cancel by this and 3 cancel by this 3. This is equal to k pi upon 24. Now next question number 7. Use Dirichlet integral. Use Dirichlet integral to evaluate triple integration x y z dx dy dz throughout the volume bounded by x equal to 0, y equal to 0, comma z is equal to 0, comma, and x plus y plus z equal to 1. Now answer, triple integration x y z dx dy dz. This is equal to triple integration x y z dx dy dz. The value of limit, lower limit x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. The upper limit of x 1, the upper limit of y, y and z both are height, then upper limit of y and z both are height, and the upper limit 1 minus x. In case of z, only z is height, x and y both are vary, that is 1 minus x minus y. Now integrate first z, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 1 minus x as it, x y is same. Integration of z square by 2, limit 0 to 1 minus x minus y dx dy dz dy. Now 1 upon 2 constant, x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 1 minus x, 1, xy into 1 minus x minus y whole power 2 dx dy. Triple integration x, y, z, dx, dy, dz will be 1 upon 2. Now put y is equal to 1 minus x into t, that is dy is equal to 1 minus x dt. Now y convert into t, x is same, the limit of y, changing limit of t, that is x is equal to y is equal to 0, now t is equal to 0. Upper limit of y 1 minus x, 1 minus x cancel to 1 minus x, now t is equal to 1. X is as and y 1 minus x into t, 1 minus x minus 1 minus x into t whole power 2 dx. Now value of dy 1 minus x dt. This is equal to 1 upon 2 integration x is equal to 0 to 1, t is equal to, first we take only t term, x power 1, now 1 minus x common, 1 minus x whole power, 1 here and 2 here and 1 here, now 1 1 2 and 2, 1 minus x whole power 4 dx. Now t is equal to 0 to 1, t to the power 1, now 1 minus t whole power 2 dt. This is equal to 1 upon 2 limit of x 0 to 1, x to the power 2 minus 1, 1 minus x whole power 5 minus 1 dx. T is equal to 0 to 1, t to the power 2 minus 1, 1 minus t whole power 3 minus 1 dt. This is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the value of beta 2 comma 5 into beta 2 comma 3. This is equal to 1 upon 2 value of gamma 2 gamma 5 upon gamma 2 plus 5 into gamma 2 gamma 3 upon gamma 5. This cancel by this. 1 upon 2 gamma 2 1 gamma 2 1 gamma 3 2 gamma 7 6 5 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 2 cancel by this. This is equal to 1 upon 170720, that is 1 upon 720 is a answer. Now next question, question number 8. Evaluate minus infinity to infinity to the power minus x square dx. Answer, minus infinity to infinity to the power minus x square dx. Put x square equal to t, that is dx is equal to dt upon 2t to the power half. This is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity e to the power minus t dt upon 2t to the power half, 1 upon 2 common. Now we use definite integration property. Now limit 0 to infinity e to the power minus t, t to the power minus half, that is t to the power half minus 1 dt. This is equal to 2 cancel by this, gamma half is equal to under root pi. Now next question, question number 9. evaluate integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power 4 dx upon 1 plus x whole power 10. Answer, limit 0 to infinity x to the power 4 dx upon 1 plus x whole power 10. This is equal to 0 to infinity x to the power 5 minus 1 dx upon 1 plus x whole power 5 plus 5. It is value of beta 5 comma 5. Since beta mn is equal to integral limit 0 to infinity x to the power m or n, both are used. 1 plus x m plus n. Now gamma 5 upon gamma 5 plus 5, this is equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly gamma 5 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon gamma 10 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is equivalent to 1 upon 630. Now question number 10. Evaluate integral limit 0 to 1 x to the power 4 1 minus x whole power 3 dx. Answer, integral limit 0 to 1 x to the power 4 1 minus x whole power 3 dx. 0 to 1 x to the power 5 minus 1 1 minus x whole power 4 minus 1 by using definition of beta function. This is equal to beta 5 comma 4. Now next question, question number 11. Evaluate integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root minus ln x. This is equal. Now answer, integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root minus log x. This is equal to integral limit 0 to 1 dx upon under root log 1 upon x. Now put log 1 upon x is equal to t, that is 1 upon x is equal to e to the power t. Now x is equal to e to the power minus t, that is dx is equal to minus e to the power minus t dt. Therefore integration limit x is equal to 0 to e to the power minus infinity, that is t is equal to infinity. Now x is equal to 1, so t is equal to 0. Now dx minus e to the power minus t dt upon under root t. This is equal to, by negative, changing the order of limit 0 to infinity, e to the power minus t to the power minus half dt. This is equal to 0 to infinity t to the power half minus 1 e to the power minus t dt. This is equal to value of gamma half. This is equal to under root pi. Okay student.